Gian Christopher Samlu, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime quicksand. So the things you will need is a bowl and a spoon or something to stir, green food coloring, some water that's this much, pour it in the glass. You can also use water in the faucet if you want. And then some cornstarch. So what you do first is grab your spoon and your cornstarch. And I already cut a hole in here for me to grab a scoop. So I just grab a little bit of one scoop, this much. And then you just put 5 scoops. Grab another one. That's 3. 2 more. A little bit too much. 4. And 5. So you're done putting your cornstarch. Then you also need a placemat for your table to not get messy. Then get your water and your green food coloring with you. Open your green food coloring. You just take a bit of green food coloring. Okay, that will do. And then close the cap. Then, so you can see it's about to be green with water. Then you just take your spoon, stir that water until it becomes green. See that? Then you pour it into your cornstarch. A bit of water only. Okay. Let's see if that will do the trick. Get your spoon and you see if it's hard. Oh, it's hard in here. You need to put more water. Careful. Okay, that will do. It will be sticky. It will be a bit sticky. Then you get 1 last scoop of cornstarch. Mix it. If you want your quicksand to be really hard, you need to put more cornstarch, but I don't want to waste my cornstarch, so I just don't. It's too hard. I think we should use our hands. Wow, it's a slimy, and it's about to be color green. Then take 1 last scoop, this much. And you spread that in there. And look, if you touch spreads, it will be hard. Okay. Then put a bit of water. Okay, that will do. Come on, little fellas. Whoa, that should be slimy. Your quicksand is now green. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you. See? It's green. You can add another um, more food coloring if you want to be it more green. Okay, time for the friendly tips. Okay, you have your quicksand right here. Okay, I have a question. What is quicksand? A liquid or a solid? It's both a liquid and a solid because you see, if you tap your hand really fast, it doesn't sink. It just touches in the surface. But if you leave it alone and you don't get it out, it sinks. Okay, then I have another one. Um, it's liquid. It's liquid first. But when you grab your hand, a fist, smash it in there, doesn't sink. Like what I said a while ago. Anyway, I still have another one. Try making a snowball out of it. You can't make a snowball if you make the quicksand in a small bowl like me. I cannot make it right now. I need to put it in a big bowl. But just try to make a snowball. And try it. Just try to make a snowball and you like crumple it sa snowball, then it will like be solid, but if you leave it alone and open your hand, it just melts in there. Okay, basically that's it. This is how to make slime quicksand. I'm Gian Christopher Samru here in YouTube. Peace. Bye bye.